Uzo Uwani, if una fail to, you see, this our brother, Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, if una fail to vote for him, you see, una see another base for 8 years. You understand me? Ezeaku Ejiofor is an example of a grassroots politician. You see, this una son, wey be Ezeaku Ejiofor, is more accessible compared to any politician wey dey Uzo Uwani and the Igbo etiti constituency. So make una no fail to support this una brother. You understand? Before now, if he don dey complain about Uzo Uwani, they no get road, they no get hospital, no infrastructure, nothing, no government presence there. So the opportunity is now. Do you understand? May una do the one wey una fit do and leave the rest for him to handle. You get the point?
Okay, please tell us your name, tell us why you are here.
Okay, my name is Mr. Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. I am aspiring for Federal House of Representatives to represent my good people of Uzo Uwani and the Igbo etiti Federal constituency. And I'm here to pick up my interest from.
So what inspired you to go into this route?
Okay, a lot of things, because when you look into Nigeria in 21st century, we are living in a society where there is no electricity. We are living in a country whereby there is no ambulance in our communities in order to secure life in 21st century. We live in a society whereby pregnant mothers are hawking pure waters in the streets. It's a taboo to humanity. It's a crime against humanity. And right now, Nigeria need help. Nigeria need help. And I'm one of them that volunteer myself willing to die for the good of Nigeria. So, and that is what motivated me as well to keep on doing the good work I'm doing in Nigeria, just like building a free hospital for the less privileged, taking care of the sick, curing over 6,500 people, building over 32 houses for the less privileged in different communities. So I'm urging all Nigeria youth to wake up, join NDC right now, support Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor for the good of our land and for the good of our born children.
So ahead of the primary, what is your message to the people of your constituency?
Yeah, my good people of Uzo Uwani and the Igbo etiti Federal constituency, I'm here to advise you to support me. Make sure that we take this victory in the in the upcoming primary election. And once this victory is achieved, believe you me, I am going to bring a new change in the system of the Nigerian government and make sure that everything that's supposed to get to my federal constituency in Abuja must surely bring it down.
Thank you very much. All right, Honorable, from our investigations and observations, we discovered that a lot of Nigerians don't have their PVC even right now, and the election is very, very close. What's the message to Nigerian youth, even in your constituency, about the PVC?
I'm advising Nigerian youth, go and pick your PVC. It's very important. Your vote is your power. The day you are voting is the day you are deciding how your country will be. One vote can give a victory to a candidate. So I advise Nigeria youth to go and get their PVC so that we fix this country in order.
Thank you very much. We saw the person in your political journey.
Thank you, sir.
The game changer. The game Service to the people. NDC.
Service to the people.
NDC.
Service to the people. Yes, we want to take a walk. We're taking a walk.
Now our person be this, so we no get another one. Now our person be this, Now our person be this, so we no get another one. Now our person be this, Now our person be this, Now our person be this, Our person be this, so we no get another one. Now our person be this, Our person be this, Our person be this, our person be this ADC, service to the power. ADC. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. 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 Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ezeaku Ejiofor. 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 Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor. Money jeje mona nana. Ezeaku Ejiofor.
Service to the people.
You don't like to
NDC!
Service to the people.
NDC!
Service to the people.
NDC!
Service to the people.
Service to the people!
NDC.
Service to the people!
NDC.
Uzo Uwani kwenu! Uzo Uwani kwenu! Uzo Uwani kwenu! Uzo Uwani kwenu! Igbo etiti kwenu! Igbo etiti kwenu! Igbo etiti kwenu! Igbo etiti kwenu! Enugu State kwenu! Enugu State kwenu! Enugu State kwenu! Enugu State kwenu! Nigeria kwenu! Nigeria kwenu! Nigeria kwenu! Nigeria kwenu! Ndị ba ekene m unu. Obi dị m sọ aṅụrị na ụmụnne m ndị Igbo etiti na ndị Uzo Uwani na ndị Enugu na ndị obodo ọzọ fụrụ m n'anya bịara tata ịnọnyere m ebe anyị na-ewere form of interest na NDC, ebe m na-agba mbọ ka ndị nọchite anya ụmụnne m ndị Uzo Uwani Igbo etiti na Federal House, and ọ ga-abịa na mmezu. Ekene m unu rinne, nkwa m na-ekwu unu bụ na ife men ji wee baa politics bụ ka emezi ihe arụrụ arụ ka ọ dị mma. I'm a living testimony of onye megoro ihe mebiri emebi ọ dị mma n'ala Igbo. Abụ m onye a living testimony na ana m abata na be onye na-enweghị ụlọ nwee ụlọ free of charge. Abụ m a living testimony n'ala Igbo na ana m abata na onye nọ na-akwụ ya not close to death onwe ndụ dị ndụ ọzọ. I've made a living testimony today. No more ID mega more kurunwa hanaba free of charge in our hospital.
No panic.
So nkwanne ekuno bogene. No makunu kanji we bargain politics. Because it pains me in the 21st century in our communities, there is no factory to employ our graduates.
Yes, my name is Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. So, a citizen of Igbo State, a brother to Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, who is contesting for the post of the House of Representatives, Uzo Uwani.
Right. So, Honorable, with the whole process of the NDC
I'm satisfied. It's a party where we have the gathering of men of integrity, men of discipline, men who have tested their character and it has confirmed positive. Yeah.
Okay. What's your message for the people of the constituency?
Yeah, the message is that Mathias Ezeaku, who happens to be an aspirant for House of Representatives, is a man who has shown concern to the people of Enugu State and beyond, and is someone who we can trust our mandate to. We can trust any dividends of democracy coming to our constituency. So I advise the youths of Uzo and Igbo etiti to massively give him support, and I assure you that he will not disappoint us.
Thank you very much. All right.
God bless you, sir. Yeah.
Wish you all the best in the political government.
Thank you.
Vote to humanity, not to religion. Do you understand what I'm saying? Religion divided you and I, but humanity unite us. Do you get the point? Don't forget, say, all these terrorists where they buy people for northern Nigeria, they get religion. At least you go, they hear them, they shout, Allah Kobara, Allah Kobara. You hear them, Abi. And when you come to South, you go to see, say, some religion, no, they like to marry other religion. Some religion don't denounce their own kindred. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, for you to understand, say, religion divide you and I, but humanity will unite us, solve our problem. Do you understand? It's only humanity will fight for you and I, protect us, defend us, shelter us, develop us, give us better life, and also give us a long life and prosperity. It's only humanity will solve our problem, not religion. Do you understand? That is why a Muslim will be calling you an infidel, and you will be Christian is calling Hindu and other denomination of religion. They are unbelievers. Do you get my point? So vote humanity and keep your religion aside. You see, Ezeaku Ejiofor, Ezeaku is worth more than gold and silver. Some of you away from Uzo Uwani and Igbo etiti, I don't know what you wanna have. I'm telling you. You understand me? Ezeaku is an example of a grassroots politician. If Ezeaku join this race, you're gonna go understand what I'm saying.